Kamusta?
Hi.
Happy holidays. I'm Joshua. This is my wife, Lady Lynn.
Of Haltom Family Vlog.
Yeah.
Plans to give you hope and a future. Hope and a future.
So today, we are going to discuss about
DCF.
or Direct Consular Filing.
This is when a U.S. citizen living outside the U.S. Goes to the embassy of the U.S.
Yeah.
and petitions for an alien relative, a spouse, children,
Yep.
or parents.
Parents, yeah. So you will use the form I-130 or petition for alien relative like spouse like me, which he used.
So
Yes.
these 6 P's that we need to emphasize:
Yeah.
patience,
Patience.
perseverance, and prayer. These are the internal things you need.
Character.
And you need your paperworks. You need people on your side.
To help you process even the immigration people.
And Pera.
Yeah.
Money.
Pera, yeah.
Those
money.
are the external things you need.
To pay the fees. So remember, 6 P's. Patience, perseverance, prayer, and the other 3 are the paperworks, people, and
Pera.
pera,
Money.
the money to pay the fees. So we will talk about patience, perseverance, and prayer. Why these are needed in processing immigration paper.
Well, because you're explaining your plan to the consulate. You want to have everything ready for them. Patience, because it's a long process. You can be done in 3 to 4 months if you have everything ready, the money and
the patience. Because when you submitted the form, like for example, you're ready and about to submit the form, and you already submitted and paid the fees, sometimes DCF actually, the standard processing time is only 30 days. There are some cases the approval was released like for a matter of weeks. Yes, that's so fast. And we are talking about USCIS at US Embassy in the Philippines. So on our case, it took like 1 month. So we were reading comments from other people who underwent the same process, and they were saying that it took only like weeks for them to be approved. So the patience is really necessary, because when you're
and prayer,
when you are, so I was just like the prayers, the patience, like you were waiting for your paperwork to be approved, and you already paid the fees, and you are comparing your application to others who are already approved. If the standard pricing is only within that time, why is that my paperwork aren't receiving approval yet? So you need patience
and perseverance to hold on.
Yeah.
It can get frustrating, but as long as you got your ducks in a row, everything planned, you should be fine.
Yes.
You need to pray about it.
You also need, of course, prayer, because you already put all your actions, you already paid the fees, and you already pulled out all your resources, including paperwork, the fees, providing all the proofs of relationship. But the thing is, like after that, it's already out of your hands, and the decision will not be on your side, since the ball is not on your side anymore. So you really need to be praying, because you're praying also for your own response towards the processing, because we all know there are some cases like us. We already underwent fiancé visa, and we also underwent petition for spouse. So 2 different processing. So prayers are important, because it really changed the hearts and the situation. So we believe in prayer.
These other 3 P's, we need to get paperwork in order.
Yeah.
The I-130 form itself.
I-130, or the form for petitioning an alien relative.
With that, you'll need proof that you've been in the country. You're applying for 6 months
or more, and these are you can present a proof of like a lease of contract, because most lease of contract is good for 6 months. So
Yeah.
it's a good proof that you are staying in the country for 6 months already and more. And the other one is a local certification from the
Mayor is what
mayor.
we use.
Yes. So my husband went directly to the office of the mayor in the Philippines, and
We were representing a church, a free church, and we just established a residency there legally.
yeah, and it includes in that certification making sure that the address that you are residing and the months that you've been residing on that place. Also, utilities is good proof that you are residing in that country that where is the local USCIS is located, or the US Embassy. So utilities like phone bills and
Yeah.
electric bills. And this is also a good proof. Like this is called
Alien residence card.
alien residence card from Philippine Immigration, because the USCIS is requiring this for filing I-130 in US Embassy Philippines. So we're done with the paperwork. Oh no, not yet. The proof of relationship. You need to provide a proof of relationship to the person you are petitioning. So in our case, he provided our
Marriage license and contract,
Yes.
all that.
and
A
also
bank account.
bank
we
account
should.
records together.
And we have a daughter. So.
We have a daughter, so we provided a birth certificate of our daughter issued in the United States, because she was born in the United States. And traveling tickets together is also a good proof of your relationship, and pictures. And the next one is the proof of citizenship, such as
Your passport.
driver's license, and
Yeah.
also social security number of the US citizen who will do the petitioning. And the next one is the people. Why do you need people in processing your immigration papers?
Well, we are people, and we hope we're helping you understand the intricacies.
Yes.
Yeah. So you also need affidavits of support for the interview.
Yep. So yeah, so we need people also to sign that forms if it's not enough for a petitioner to sign it by himself or by herself. So people also is like, when you need help, like to understand the process, you can join forums where there's a lot of people who already underwent the same process, who can share or sharing their own experience. And also people from the immigration office, because you need to follow up, you need to check your status, you need to inquire what are the needed paperworks and fees to process your papers. And at the same time, we need people also to inform us and to encourage us.
And you need money.
Yeah,
Pera.
the Pera.
The fees. The fees keep rising, so don't be surprised if they get, upwards of $1,000 if you file in the U.S.
Yes.
So be prepared to pay.
Yeah, so as we paid our fees during filing of I-130 through direct consular filing at the USCIS Embassy in the Philippines. So don't be surprised. You need to prepare it before you will go to the US Embassy, because it will really cost a lot of money. The characters that you need to have, patience, perseverance, and the prayers. Takes a lot of prayers. And the other threes are the paperworks, people, and the Pera, or the money that you need to have to pay the necessary fees.
So these are the 6 P's for this plan to petition an alien relative with a direct consular filing,
or DCF, using the I-130 form. If you have any questions, you can message us, private message us, or comment below, or you can also subscribe. subscribe our channel if you think we are helpful to you guys, because we would like to share our family's experience with USCIS Embassy or USCIS Embassy in USCIS processing of our paperwork, because
it was a year's process. So.
Sharing is good, and that's all. And God bless you.
God bless.
Bye.